everybody, it's me, the Spanish River guy. Today we're making our famous Spanish River Poutine. Take a look. We got pickerel, we got cheese curds, we got bacon bits, kosher bacon bits, French fries, and my favorite, Aunt Jemima's maple syrup. It's me, still here, the Spanish River guy. This is how we cook the pickerel. You gotta put it in the pan, and you turn on the heat, and you use butter. Lots and lots of frickin' butter. But this is my favorite time to talk to you folks about some non-political things. We got questions from people that need important answers, and I'm the guy, the Spanish River guy. We got a question right here from Mo from Michigan. He says, Mr. Spanish River guy, what does a Canadian flag look like? Well, I got one right over there. Okay, people, now that you know what the Canadian flag looks like, I need you to remember, that is the only flag that matters. You people should know that we are Canadian first, and we like to go fishing. Okay, thanks, Mo. Now, we got even more questions. This one here comes from Cindy from Spanish. Hi, Cindy. It says, are there girlfish and boyfish? Well, of course there's girlfish and boyfish. How do you think they make baby fish? And she says, which tastes better? I think, well, they both taste great, but as you'd expect, the girlfish tastes fishier. Okay, more questions. I know it's your favorite time. We're gonna eat the fish. Don't frickin' worry. You're gonna eat the fish. Here we go. This one is from Jacques from Chemi. Oh, we love people from Chemi. Just stay there. Okay, just kidding. It says, what is the best time of year to catch a fish, a pickerel, in Spanish? Well, truthfully, the fish run here in the springtime. We got Zone 10 and Zone 14. And here at the Spanish River Resort location, you can actually get in a boat and go in the water and catch fish from both. So my best suggestion is, get a frickin' boat, come down here and go fishing all the time. Because you can catch them in the spring, you can catch them in the summer, and you can catch them in the fall. Right now, if you can't tell, this is fall. This is early October, and we're doing a poutine fish fry right here in front of you. Okay, we got time for one more question before I gotta do the bacon bits. Kosher bacon bits, don't forget. Okay, this one is from Joe from Elliott Lake. Joe says, what's the best bait for catching pickerel? Okay, Joe, you should know this because you live in Elliott Lake and everybody knows fishing in Elliott Lake is good. But people from Elliott Lake, they come here because the fishing's even better in the Spanish River. Okay, Joe, so it's answer question, it's worms. You use worms and nothing but worms. That's it, and you can buy them from the Superette from Christine right over here in Spanish. Back to the pickerel. Right now, we're going to chop up all these little bits and pieces to make them morsely sizes for all the people and friends that we have from all over Ontario, but specifically Northern Ontario, because we got to make these little pieces for all our old friends in Elliott Lake. We love Elliott Lake. There's like old people and drugs and Georges. So all you people can come down here and have fish with us too. So once this is all chopped up, then we're going to add the next part, our kosher bacon bits. Here we go. We put them in just like that. I'm going to mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Did you hear what I said? You got to mix it. There we go. Almost ready for the last little bit. We're going to put in the French fries and the poutine and the maple syrup and the gravy. Okay, everybody. What a very critical time. This is where we take a look. See if it's ready to put in the gravy. So when you hear that sizzling, that means it's ready for gravy. And we just put it in just like this, all over the place. We're doing it a little bit differently, but we want this to warm up so it helps the cheese curds melt. Now we put in the cheese curds. We stir that up, just like that. Doesn't that look fantastic? It's a fish fry the Spanish River way. We got our French fries. Thank you to Mel at Roosters for these fantastic, delectable French fries. Oh, they're so crispy, they're jumping out of the pan. Here we go. Here we go. And one last thing, that's right, don't forget. The maple syrup straight from the maple trees in Northern Ontario. I'm pretty sure that some of them even came from Valcarin. Because all those people up there, they're so sweet. I love when they come down here and visit me at the Spanish River Resort Campground. Me, the Spanish River guy. There you go, people. That is your one and only chance to get the best tasting poutine in all of Ontario. It is a pickerel poutine, kosher bacon with some onions, cheese curds, french fries with gravy. You need to come here to the Spanish River and do some fishing with me, the Spanish River guy. Because where else would you want to go? Here we are, about to sit down to enjoy this fantastic pickerel feast. I have one more important thing to tell you people. The Spanish River is a very important place for me and all my friends from here, from Sault Ste. Marie, all the way to Temagami. Now, if you're going to come here to fish, Jerry asked me a very important question. Jerry from Sault Ste. Marie said, Spanish River guy, how many fish can I catch when I'm there? People need to know this. You can come here and catch as many fish as you want because there's tons of pickerel. But if you're over your daily limit, my good friend Mr. Lefebvre is going to give you a ticket for $140 per fish over your limit. So please know your rules and regulations and fishing. Read the fishing guidelines before you come here. Bon appetit! And now is a final taste test. We got the Spanish River Rats. River Rats, say hello. Hello everybody in Ontario.
Hello, Papa.
Okay, we are eating the Spanish River Poutine. Tell me how it tastes. You guys are the judges. Is it good?
Yeah.
How about the judge number Rio? How is it, Rio?
Really good.
Look at Papa. Is it a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you gotta tell everybody where they gotta come fishing and get the Spanish River Poutine. Where they gonna go fishing?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah? At the docks.
That's right, but what's our place called?
Spanish River Resort.
That's right. Everybody knows you gotta come see me, the Spanish River guy, and the little 3 Spanish River Rats. Everybody say, see you later.
See you later.
Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Holy mackerel. This is the best damn delicious poutine I've had since I met that French girl down in Espanola. See you soon, everyone.
Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know?